Dear viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe about Android Toast. So at first we need to know what is Toast. Toast is a small pop-up. Small pop-up like model dialog. Small pop-up. This pop-up stay 2 second or 3 to 5 second. It depend on the parameter how we can define the toast length. So now we'll show the how we define the toast, and we will show the toast by clicking the button. Suppose this is the button. When we will click the button, toast will show in display screen. So here is our main activity. This is the button. This is the button click event. Here we will show the toast dot make test. First parameter is context. This context is main activity dot this. Second parameter is the message. This is toast message, and third parameter is toast duration. Toast dot duration. There are two type of duration toast. This is the short toast. It stay 2 second, and long toast it stay in this case 3 to 5 second. So we define the long toast length long toast and finally toast will show show method. Now we can run our project for display the toast by clicking the button. Click the button. This is the toast pop-up dialog. It is stay 3 to 5 second. Thank you.